Wow, I am so clever with those intros, you know, I'm really doing fantastic. I'm still getting over a cold, so that's why I kind of am sniffling. It's part of life. At least I didn't get the flu yet. Anyway, welcome back to another vlog. I hope you guys are having a fun day. But today I am taking, well, not just today, but like in general, I have to take this photography class to get my last elective credit in for school, and the photography class is online, and now I have to go take a bunch of pictures of nature and outside, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna drive to this place that's pretty close, kind of far away, not really that far away, like 45 minutes maybe. Actually, I don't know, I haven't been there since I was like 5 years old, but I'm gonna go there and take a picture of all the views and the good vibes that are in that place, because it's all good. Also, I don't know what else we're gonna do. Probably just homework. My life isn't that interesting. All these other vloggers are like, I'm gonna go snorkeling, and then I'm gonna go to New York City, and then I'm gonna go to VidCon. But no, all I do is sit at my desk and do homework. Oh, look, that person has a Tesla. No electric cars. Let's go. I also like driving on the highway, so this should be fun. Oh my gosh, that's so good. I kind of was getting a headache for not having caffeine for like 3.5 hours after I woke up, so luckily the Dutch Bros was a real bro and provided me with this lovely, sorry, espresso, not espresso apparently. Okay, so it's like 10:36 right now, and I'll see you once I get to the place where I'm gonna take all the pictures, so cool, peace. So I'm here finally. I have a list of all the things I need to take pictures of. Kind of a lot, but that's okay. I'll figure something out. It's actually like so relaxing to be up here. I definitely can tell that the altitude's a lot higher, and I'm water, because at higher altitudes you gotta drink more. Okay. Got it, let's go. So let's start taking pictures. And here is the camera that I'm gonna use. What's weird today is that it's 70 degrees, but then last week we had 3 snow days in a row, which I wasn't complaining about whatsoever, but everyone was like, I'm bored on like the 3rd snow day, and I was like, why are you complaining about a snow day? Like, dude, that means you don't have to show up to school. Okay, let's go take my pictures. So that was the first picture, so we're gonna put number 1 on that. This is so... Can't I just take the picture without having to write the notes about it or whatever? We'll go take the skyline pictures, because I have to take 2 pictures, one with a high horizon and one with a low horizon. So I'm gonna go do that. Yeah, this view is probably more fun to look at than my face, but whatever, and deal with it. Now I'm gonna go back down to, like, I don't know, it's like you take this winding road up to get to the top, so now I'm just gonna go down a little bit more and then take a couple more pictures. I'm almost done. I got a little bit frustrated and a bug flew into my mouth too, so that wasn't the most pleasant thing ever, but it's okay. Bugs have protein. Yes, so finally done with the pictures. I don't know, I probably spent like maybe an hour-ish taking pictures. Now I am hungry, kind of. on, focus on me. Like this Ariana Grande song. Okay, but if you guys ever go to Mod Market, if you have one near you, I think they're kind of like more of the western half of the United States, but I don't really know. Anyway, if you go there, get the everything toast with hard-boiled eggs instead of salmon because it's so good. I would not recommend getting salmon on it. Actually, I can't really even say that because I haven't actually tried it with salmon on it, but I just feel like salmon on toast is... that's not something I like, really. Or I mean, I doubt I would ever like that. But if that's your thing, go for it. I don't know what I'm gonna do now. Well, yeah. Okay, so I'm just realizing now that I forgot to end this vlog. Why do I feel like this happens every single time I make a vlog? So I need to plan ahead now, whatever. Here's some of the pictures I took. I hope you enjoyed those. Maybe they were good, maybe not. I'm not an expert, clearly, but anyway, thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys have fun today. Like, comment, subscribe, do what you need to do, and I'll see you in my next video.